Silver is up 5.78%. SLV is trending. HYMC up 2.75%. Let's break down what's going on with HYMC. So this is Monday. So this is Tuesday, the 30th of December, 2025, pre-market session. Okay, so as things stand right now, we are breaking down the data on its 4-hour chart. Okay, not long ago, I think still pretty much the case. The price pressure momentum on its 10 period moving average has this value. That moving average is let's see, it's dropping by $5.64 every 4 hours. Okay, and then for the 21 period moving average, is rising $8.35 every 4 hours. The 40 period moving average rising $13.68 every 40 hours, every 4 hours. And then for the 200 period moving average, $6.31 every 4 hours. Okay, and the derivatives, all of them, all their derivatives are positive. The first derivative gives you the buying pressure. This gives you the momentum. Okay, these values here, they give you momentums. The first derivative gives you the buying pressure, and then the second derivative, this one here for the 10 period moving average, gives you the pace of the buying pressure or the selling pressure, as the case may be. So the stock, the HYMC, is in a short term. It has a short term weakness within a broader intermediate and long term uptrend structure. So the market grid gives you a range of prices. It has a potential to trade within. Okay, so we have here, this is the top of the grid. When it's in the resistance zones, then you know that you have to start considering exiting or taking profits. When it's in the support zones, lower prices may continue to print, but also if you want to jump back in, depending on what stock it is, if it's Nvidia, for instance, and the stock is at this in the support zones, then you have to start getting ready to jump back in. If it's in the resistance zones, then if you are in it for the short term, if you are trading there, then you have to start considering exiting. Or if you're there for the long term, then it may not be the best time to start buying. You know, amongst other things, that's what they're indicating. You can see the various prices and what the rationales are. So we have a trade setup here. Not a recommendation that you should apply. Okay. So a short-term setup between 5 to 15 days, tactical long-term for support, scaling at 23.3 to 23.50. Where is it at right now? Okay, it has already surpassed that now. Okay, so if it does pull back, that might be the case. Okay, position sizing, yeah, targets will be 24.15, 24.60, 25.06. Stop loss will be 22.7. Okay, probability of success 55 to 60%. Catalysts: China export restrictions anticipation on Friday. Short term price pressure momentum reversal. Okay, positive second derivative suggests a bounce potential. Long term setup 3 to 6 months structural accumulation play thesis. The momentum on the 21, 40, and 200 period moving average alignment suggests an established uptrend. Current pullback offers a strategic entry near the 40 period moving average, 20.15 major support. Okay, entry strategy, primary entry zone. Okay, between 20 to $21. Aggressive entry 23 to 23.5. Current levels if China catalyst materializes. Okay, and position sizing and yeah, much more. Okay, targets will be 28.28 to $30. Moderate target will be 35 to 38. Bullish is 45 to $45 plus. Okay, stop loss will be 18.5. Probability of success 40 to 55%. Key risk pump and dump scenarios BS1. The 7% lost yesterday in shows volatility risk. Yeah, critical considerations. Yeah, the 7% loss move indicates elevated risk, position size, and critical. Okay, bullish structural factors. Price 104% above its 200 period moving average. Strong long term trend. Okay. Bearish factors trading below the 10 period moving average and the 21 period moving average. This is, remind you, this is the data on its 4 hour chart. Negative short term downward pressure. Yes. Low 4 hour volume so far. Yes. Okay. But it doesn't. This is not doesn't mean much because the volume is okay. Well, yeah, low hour for yeah. This is the last 4 hours. This is what's across the tape. Yeah, okay. Doesn't indicate everything that has happened in the session. January 1 catalyst, high impact binary entry, position before or wait for post announcement clarity to avoid a whipsaw. Recommended approach for short term, wait for S1 value, hold confirmation. Okay, let's get that value, hold confirmation, S1 hold confirmation. Let's see, S1. Okay, so 23.45. Okay, hold confirmation. It's currently at 23.9 now. Yeah, okay. So hold for 23.45. Sorry, for short term, wait for 23.45, hold confirmation. For long term, patient accumulation near 20.21 offers superior risk reward, though current levels are viable if catalyst conviction is high. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Okay, so let's see now. Let's have a look at the at HYMC. This is what we looked at. Yeah, the extrapolation is saying that it might this strength it has picked up now. It might maintain it up till Monday the 5th of January. So there's a chance that they might retest its 52-week high of 27.64. Yeah, probability of it retesting 26.22, statistically less than 50%. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.